everyone, thanks for joining us on another adventure. I'm here with Scots Wild Camper and hopefully be joined later by Andrew, head for the hills. As you can see, we've left the mainland behind. We are here on the Isle of Bute and we're looking to do the West Highland way round the Isle of Bute. So with the great weather here in Scotland we've had now into its third week and counting, we're looking forward to get the most of it, get some great scenery. We've got Arran, the peaks of Arran at the other side and part of the journey to begin with, and I'm looking forward to getting some drone footage as always and any other scenic stuff we can get. So I've got Scots Wild Camper here, we're beginning it together. Andrew should be on the way, he was just held back for a couple of hours. We did wait, but with the ferries and the bus times we had to crack on or we'd be stuck in the same place for another good hour. So the bus has dropped us off, we're at the triangle spot, the only ones here, and the West Highland way begins and we're heading over to the other side to see the Arran coast. So I'm looking forward to seeing that. So let's get the journey started. So we're going through the farmland heading to St Blane's now. The wind's died down as we went inside the valley. Bit of livestock for the first time. Yes, I said you were there. But there's electric fences everywhere, so we're trying to get through it all. Literally Andrew was brave enough back there to grab the plastic handle to get us through the fencing and put it back as we find it. But not me. Onwards and upwards. Past the farmland and up we go on the ascent. The whole fence is meant to be electric, so single file coming up here. It's the only con so far. But look at the scenery. Stunning. Got 3 army ration packs with me. A couple of wayfarers and one for the army ration pack. Chicken pasta and mushroom, chili con carne, and chicken tikka with rice. But not really feeling it. Also got some almond nuts in there, peanuts here, big bag of jerky I'll share with the guys. But right now I'm just having a bovril. Never brought bovril in a camp before. Quite addictive once you get the flavour in you.
Excuse me, old chap, this is a private dinner.
Oh,
Can anyone join?
Come in, join me.
Yes, I think I'll join.
Shall we share jerky in peace?
Yeah. Yes.
Forgot I had that actually, that'll be a nibble. Big bit of jerky.
You might save that for tomorrow, the trail,
Oh,
no?
there's plenty.
There's plenty, right. Alright, Gav.
Come and join us, Andrew, if you wish.
The wind burner, oh that's good. I think I just prefer the wind burner to the jet boil. The jet boil's good as well. Not much difference. I think a wee bit. Just a wee bit. Cheers. Nice. Tell you who made good stuff? My dog, Pete, Big Pete. He made stuff and it was...
Some Ranger done it.
You gotta be honest, that was the first time I tasted it. Good space in that Southern Cross. I think the Southern Cross is still got better space than the Nordist. It slopes. It's nice. It's a big. That's a big. I mean, that Nordist is a big. That's a big tent for 1.5 kilograms. It's huge. But the good thing about Southern Cross is you get the height in the middle, and it doesn't slope down too much. Do you know what I mean? I should really sell one of those. Well, I don't know, I like the two of them. Not much video, this will be probably more video, as much video that's on this on YouTube. I checked for YouTube and there's like 30-second clips and 3 minutes footage for the whole walk. It's no...
So when we do it right.
Well, I'm taking a lot of footage, it's just a wee guide for people really.
Can you assure the one thing, folks, when it comes to a good hike or a trail and there's a video to be made, I will give you a video.
Yeah.
Oh, can I be a good bovril?
Yeah.
Well, it's another decent looking day to come. Slight drizzles came about just in the past 10 minutes, which was predicted. 30% chance of rain within the next hour according to the Met Office, and here it is. But still can't beat the views. This is what Arran looks like from the Isle of Bute at 8 AM. Slept pretty well last night, woke up a couple of times, but straight back off to another good sleep. It was nice and warm with the sleeping bag and the bed and things like that, and it just made me want to sleep and sleep. So just a little chill out, a little quick bite to eat. All I'm having is like a cereal bar and some of the nuts from last night. I've got a couple of good army ration packs with me. I'll get them later with good meals. But we're heading on to the second part of the journey. That should take us kind of in the middle of the island, going up north, and see where we get. But right now, just letting my feet air, let the tent air, wait till the rain goes, and then the guys and I will be on our way. Well folks, we're all packed up and ready to hit the trail on our second day of the journey. You see we've got Andrew, his famous balaclava on, hiding himself, keeping it mystery. Scots Wild Camper and myself. We're saving the spam dance for later because Andrew, believe it or not, claims to like spam more than the Scottish Wanderer. So this is for you, Stuart, and all the other rest of the gang out there, and for everyone else. Take it away, boys. Freestyle!
Scottish Wanderer, Stuart, see you've started.
It's all mine. Well folks, day one is over, we begin the journey in day two. As always, we take everything with us, leave no trace. Greatest spot probably in the island, it's going to be a hard one to beat. Full of manure everywhere. So it's been crap digs, but great sights.
You've been saving that one up.
Let's go on day two, let's get going.